Alright, so now that we know we've tested it, everything is working. So now we can go ahead, finish up with our wiring. But when you're working with wiring, you want to do it as cleanly as possible. You don't want the wiring getting crossed over and things like that. Just makes it harder to work with and better chance for error. Alright, so we've already done the hot, neutral, and now the ground. Okay, now that you have everything, all the electrical put together, you're going to grab the screws, because there's 2 screws that go up to this base mount, and it's that base mount that's going to hold it to the ceiling. And let's just see where those are at. And these are the 2 side screw mounts that connect the housing to this way here. Everything's hidden away behind it. Alright, hopefully, yep, I see my other screw. Alright, now you want to go ahead and grab your light bulbs. And your globe. Light bulbs will go first. Now you got your light bulbs on, the nut that's actually going to hold the globe on. You're going to take that off. The chain for the fan goes through a little hole. So you want to go ahead and take that, put that through, because otherwise the globe will end up trapping it and you can't actually put the globe on. Basically, when you're doing this, now you got to get eye level. You try to do it blind, like me, you'll never get it. Alright, now that you have everything lined up, you want to go ahead and put the globe on. And then the big circle part, let me turn around to the other side. Now you go ahead and put the globe on, make sure the chain goes down through. Once you get it set, you're going to put on the first plate. And then you want to get the chain to go through the correct holes as you go up. Now that you have it set, now this knot, this screw center, this is what goes through to hold the globe to the unit. All right. Now we have that on. It's now basically set up. The only thing you're missing are the little pulleys that say Hunter on them, chains, and these are the finishing aspects of it. So this way here has that elegant look to it. And you have to work to snap them into place, but once you get them in there, they're there, which is good. You don't have to worry about them falling off. Okay, now the unit is ready. Go ahead and turn on the switch. Let there be light. Ta-da! All right, guys. Now basically, remember here with humidity, what you want to do is you just want to keep it on low when nobody's here. Because all you're doing is just moving the air, but I'll be setting these on to reverse. So this way here, it'll pull the cool air up and move the hot air that's up here on our ceiling. Property maintenance on demand, ceiling installation, my DIY. Investment properties, Airbnbs, VRBOs, vacation rentals, where maintenance is done right 24/7.